Hi guys, welcome.
Hi.
Are you excited here to be at the Kennedy Center?
Yeah.
It's really an honor.
Yeah.
What's it like to be at the Kennedy Center on a special night like this with all of your friends?
Well, what's great about it is that we all get to be really fancy. We have to dress really nicely.
Yeah, you look wonderful,
Yeah.
Big Bird.
Oh, thank you. So do you,
Yeah, we get to
Elmo.
break out the tuxedo.
That's right. It's a good occasion.
Yeah.
You all look great. I like your tuxedo.
Thank you.
What do you think of the other honorees? Do you have any favorites?
Me excited to meet Mrs. Fields.
No.
Did you hear that she gonna be here with the cookbook? Yeah.
No, it's Sally Field.
Yeah, not Mrs. Fields like the
No
cookie.
cookies?
No,
No.
sorry, but maybe
Bye-bye.
Well, wait a
Oh,
minute.
wait, I'll go, Cookie. Come
What?
on
No,
back.
we okay.
There's
We gonna
cookies in the
stay.
dressing room.
Oh,
It's okay.
terrific. Thank you.
Yeah, I was excited to meet Miss Linda Ronstadt.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, we sang a song together a long time ago, but Elmo loves her music.
Yeah, what song did you sing?
Oh, well, it was a wonderful song. Elmo thinks it was a song in Spanish.
Yes,
Yeah, but
that's right.
Elmo's mommy sings Blue Bayou to Elmo before Elmo goes to sleep.
Oh.
Like this, she goes, Blue Bayou. And then Elmo goes right to sleep.
Oh.
Yeah, Elmo loves Miss Ronstadt.
What about Earth, Wind, and Fire?
Yeah,
Do you
Oh,
know the
yeah.
Earth, Wind, and Fire
Do
songs?
we know Earth, Wind,
Oh,
and
we
Fire
know one.
songs? Do you remember? The
21st night of September.
La, 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 la. Yeah, it goes like that.
Badia, say that you remember. Badia, dancing in September. Badia, never was a cloudy day. Oh, and shining star for you to see what your life can truly be.
That was good, Cookie.
That was really
We
nice.
like that one.
That was very good. So tell me,
Yeah.
what's it like being here at the Kennedy Center? You're far from Sesame Street, huh?
That's true.
Yeah,
We
but-
took a plane.
Yeah, but
But
we
you
with
know
all
what?
our friends.
We
so
have all of our friends here,
Yeah.
so it's kind of like being at home.
It's
Kind of
really
like being on
special.
Sesame Street.
It's kind of like being on Sesame Street, except there's a dress code.
That's right.
True. Yeah, we all had to get dressed
You look
up.
beautiful.
Huh? Thank you.
You
look-
picked Elmo's favorite color.
Oh, thank you. I picked it just for you. You look
It's
very
beautiful.
handsome as
Thank
well.
you. Elmo tied it out by himself.
Did you?
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty
hard to
skilled.
We
do.
got clip on.
Oh, really?
Sometimes,
never know
sometimes
it.
that's the good way to do
Yeah.
it. too.
Never know it.
So why should everyone watch the Kennedy Center Honors?
Well, Elmo just thinks that the Kennedy Center Honors is such an incredible experience. You know, it's artists and people coming together and thanking wonderful other artists.
That's
So-
right. It's like a big party.
A big celebration.
It is like a big party with all of your friends.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's better than that?
Nothing. Nothing.
Cookie.
Oh, okay.
Just saying.
Sure.
Why do you guys love living on Sesame Street so much? What's so special?
You know, Elmo's favorite thing about Sesame Street is that there's lots of different kinds of people on Sesame Street. Monsters, birds, people, chickens.
Yeah.
And you know, it's important because everybody is different, but also everybody's the same. And Elmo likes that we can all be family.
So can you tell us, how do you get to the Kennedy Center Honors?
Yes. First, you have to go to JFK or LaGuardia.
Yeah. It might be different where you live if maybe you don't live in New York City.
True.
I
That's
know.
fair. That's fair.
Yep.
And then you either get on a plane or a train.
Right. Or maybe you live in town here.
Take
Maybe
the
you get in the
subway.
car.
You know,
You could take the subway.
yeah. You just have to search based on your location.
That's what I would do.
Yeah.
Good thinking.